Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to convert media on Honor Magic 7 Lite. So firstly, going to Google Play Store, tap on search bar and search up image converter. Install the app. Now you can open the app. Let's close it. Now tap on the required format, allow. Now tap here to select a picture, or choose one from gallery, let's say this one. Tap on done. If you would like it, you can also compress it, but I'm not going to do that. Now just tap on done, save. And here is the path to your image if you cannot find it. And that is going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have more questions, let us know in the comments.